Okay, hello, children. It's been a while since I've done one of these, so I'm very anxious again. Okay. My assistant has to go back to work in half an hour, so he's recording the video for me right now. We are going to make very, very easy, cheap, and delicious, and healthy chocolate pudding today. So, believe it or not, the base of this chocolate pudding is made out of black beans. I know a lot of you guys are probably going to be like, ew, it's disgusting, why would you do that? It's really good, okay? When I eat, it needs to be cheap, it needs to be healthy, and needs to be delicious. Not necessarily in that order. Delicious is number 1, healthy is number 2, cheap's number 3. This is all 3. So you only need to put it in a blender. I have a food processor. You throw everything in there and then voila, you're donezo. So first thing, you need to open the can, which I've already done because you don't need to watch me open the can, and you need to rinse the beans, okay? If you don't rinse the beans really good, then you fart and they make you gassy. So you're gonna wanna rinse them really good because you wanna eat chocolate pudding, you don't wanna get gas. So you're gonna rinse them. Hold on, where's the lid? You took the lid. Rinse. Honey, get out of here. It's so gross. Okay, that's good enough. Rinse them until the water runs basically clear. Sometimes it's really bubbly and it takes a long time. This time it didn't, which was kind of, oh, the lid is in here. Don't put the lid in the blender, you'll destroy it. Let's rinse that again. Everything, I got this at Dollarama, it's like $3. Very affordable. Okay, so once your beans are rinsed, just put them in your blender or your food processor. Then you're gonna take cocoa powder. This will last you like a year, probably, sweet darling children. It'll last you a very long time. So if you buy one, you can make hot chocolate with it, and you can make other recipes, including this one. It's like $12 and it'll last you forever. I can't open it. Give me a minute here. Okay. There we go. So this is what gives it the chocolate flavor. It is not sweetened, so if you don't put any kind of sweetener or sugar in it, it'll be disgusting. So you need a 1/4 cup of this stuff. This is a 1/4 of a cup, okay? So measure it out. Oh, whoops. Clean that up after. Mine was heaping, it's fine. So a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. And then, I don't measure this, but I will for you. It says 1 to 2 tablespoons. So if it's TBS, that's tablespoons. And if it's TSP, it's teaspoons. So you want 1 to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. This is the sugar that'll sweeten it. Okay, 2. I'm gonna do 3. Why not? Then, also dates. So these are like weird pruny kind of like things, and they're not that great, but they also are very sweet and they have fiber in them, which is healthy for your gut. So these have pits in them. If you just take this and munch on it, you're gonna bite into a hard pit. And I'll show you what a pit is. You just squeeze it out. Where's my pit? Here's my pit. You can't eat this, it's hard and it'll hurt. It'll break your teeth. Okay, So once you take the pit out, you're gonna sweeten it with 2 of these. So you can just plop it in there, put it in the garbage, grab the other one. If you just squeeze it, the pit will come out the top. You grab the pit, you got a date. They smell sweet. Put it in there. Now the date has a date, and it's a date. Okay. Now, this recipe always lies. It says 3 to 4 tablespoons of whatever kind of milk you have. If you have oat milk, if you have almond milk, if you have soy milk, if you have real cow's milk, just use it, doesn't matter. I have oat milk. So 3 to 4 tablespoons, it lies. I put way more in. I'll measure it out, but I'm gonna put way more in. So I'm just gonna put it in until I feel happy. About there. And now all you have to do is blend it. So the longer you blend it, the smoother it'll be, and the smoother it'll be, the yummier it is. So I'm just gonna turn it on. Okay. Oops. Okay. Honestly, you can just give it a go. This is very smooth stuff. See? Take a peek. It's smooth. There's still little like black. You can see the beans a little bit, so you can let it go a little bit longer and try it. It tastes good. It's sweet enough. I'll just blend it so that the little fibrous. Yeah, it's good. Okay. So that is literally it. It's better if you keep it in the fridge because it's good when it's cold. So you put it in the fridge. If you have bananas, if you have strawberry, any fruit, you can serve it with fruit. I swear to you, this is good for you. There's not that much sugar in it. The beans are good for you, and I promise you, it tastes enough like chocolate to be fine, and it's healthy. So, this is the easiest chocolate pudding ever. And rest assured that you'll still grow up to be a young, healthy person. I'll post the recipe. I hope you liked it. I hope you try it. It's good. Thank you. Miigwech. Bye-bye. See you later. Turn it off.